was very heartened last night when I checked my trip to see that the Elizabeth line had opened up today, so I was really excited.
I have been able to stay longer for the event that I attended because my commute home will be shorter, so that's been really convenient.
Since I travel London only for necessary reasons, usually commuting to places like this, places of importance, usually involves more than one line change. But now with this line in, I think it's going to reduce my commute. At the same time, I can land in fresh to the venue. So that's something good for me.
I don't know how would I come here if not for the Elizabeth line, because it took me 20 minutes to come here.
It was great. It was wide open spaces, even underground in the station. Obviously the carriages were new, very, very quiet, and not a lot of swaying around like some of the other lines.
I got on at Farringdon. I'd originally come from Cambridge, and it just took a few minutes. It was very swift.
A few stations and I'll be back at Paddington with no time at all.